Our city has adventure and recreation running through its soul. With accessible recreational cycling just a stone's throw from downtown, we offer trails for all kinds of cyclists. From hardcore mountain bikers to road riders exploring the foothills of the Great Smoky Mountains, to those who just want a casual ride on our greenways to grab a cup of coffee downtown. This diverse cycling culture has built a passionate community of advocates pushing for change across our city. We're expanding our cycling infrastructure to meet our Vision Zero goals and create safe streets that match our love for cycling. That's why Knoxville, Tennessee is proud to host the 2026 International Cycling Safety Conference. We're excited to show you what we're all about.